Today I'm proud to say that we're celebrating our 7th year anniversary at the Audio Programmer. And what better way to celebrate than with some big announcements. But before I get into that, I just wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude and reflect on the past 7 years since I started the channel. When I started, my life was in a very different place. I barely had 2 pennies to rub together, and I couldn't even afford a mic to record the first videos. If you check our video history on the channel, I've left the videos up and they're pretty hilarious. But I was traveling 2 hours each way every day to get to university in London and to learn more about this amazing field of music and software development. I'm happy to say that things have changed quite a bit since then. So as you can see, I've got a mic now. But more importantly, through the Audio Programmer, we've helped thousands of people to get into the industry and get into audio software development. And so I wanted to say we rather than I, because there are so many people that have taken time out of their day over the years to help nurture other aspiring audio software developers and to help each other learn and to share knowledge. When I first started the Audio Programmer, there were hardly any resources to learn about this area of audio software development, and it's great to see not only through the Audio Programmer but through other movements that things have grown since then. So thank you for everybody who has joined the Audio Programmer community over the years. Also, anybody who follows us closely knows that I've had the opportunity to start several businesses through the Audio Programmer to help audio software developers through recruitment, contracting, audio plugin development services, education. We have had many opportunities, and I just wanted to say thank you to all of the clients that we've had throughout the years, past and present, who have been supportive of the Audio Programmer. We've had the tremendous privilege of being able to collaborate with just about every notable music technology company over the past 7 years in one way or another. And I just wanted to say that I'm looking forward to finding new ways that we can help make connections with you. Okay, on to the big announcements. So ever since I started the Audio Programmer, our community has faced the age-old question thousands of times. I want to build my first audio plugin. Where do I start if I've never written one line of code? And finally, we have a solution. It's our new book that's called The Complete Beginner's Guide to Audio Plugin Development. It's a collaboration with Matthijs Hollemans and is going to be available on June 10th. This is a step-by-step guide for people who are just getting started out with audio software development and not quite sure how to get set up. So it'll take you through things like explaining what an IDE is and how to download your first IDE, whether you're on a Windows or Mac operating system. It'll help you get set up with the Juice framework and help explain exactly what the Juice framework is. It's going to teach you all of the core concepts that you need to know to start building your first plugin, such as if statements, for loops, threading, inheritance, and more. It's going to teach you the basic digital signal processing theory, or what we call DSP, in order to start building your first audio plugin. And it's going to show you some of the basics around Juice's look and feel class, which is used to style your own plugin and develop what they call the user interface, or UI. To stay up to date, be sure to join our Audio Programmer community on Discord or sign up for our mailing list. Links are in the description below. The book comes out on June 10th, and in the meantime, we're going to be celebrating our 7th anniversary of the Audio Programmer by releasing 7 new tutorials leading up to the book release. Once again, a big thank you to everybody who has joined our Audio Programmer community and collaborated with us over the past 7 years. Without you, this would not be possible. Thank you.